So all of you, please take out your book, page number 28. Today we have to do the back exercise of lesson number 7, degrees of comparison. Before that, we'll recapitulate whatever we have learned in last class. So we have done degrees of comparison. When adjectives are used to compare any person or object, that time we use degree of comparison. So today we revise about degrees of adjectives. Now there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. When there is no comparison, that is the simplest form of adjective. Comparative degree is used when there is a comparison between two nouns. And for that, we add er at the end of adjective. With most of the adjectives, we add er. And we use more with long adjective, which has 2 or more syllable. Third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when we compare more than 2 nouns, when there is a comparison between more than 2 nouns. And we add est to most of the adjectives. We add est to most of the adjectives. And for long adjective which has 2 or more syllable, we use most. We use most. Let's look at few examples quickly. Like strong, strong, stronger, strongest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Bomb, bomber, bombest. Tall, taller, tallest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Short, shorter, shortest. Long, longer, longest. Rich, richer, richest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fast, faster, fastest. Now there are few irregular comparisons also, and for that we don't use er or est at the end of an adjective, and we don't use more. These are irregular ones. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Late, later, latest. Okay, so these are the irregular ones. Now everyone open your book page 28, page number 28 of. Yes, Nitya, tell me the answer. Comparative and superlative degree of famous. Unmute yourself, Nitya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Comparative degree of famous.
I'm famous, more famous, most famous.
Correct, absolutely correct. Write down everyone: more famous and most famous. Then Vedanta Ginotri, biggest. Superlative degree is given here. You have to tell me the positive and the comparative degree here.
Ma'am, big, bigger.
Yes, big and bigger, correct. Big is the positive degree and bigger is the comparative degree. Anushka Sharma, you have to tell me the positive and superlative degree of paler. Do you know what do you mean by pale? What is the meaning of pale? Pale means light. Pale means light, light in color. Anushka Sharma. Unmute yourself, Anushka Sharma. Anushka Sharma, quickly unmute yourself and tell me the positive and superlative degree of Paler.
Ma'am, for pale, paler, palest.
Correct. Pale, paler, and palest. Mute yourself. Hanshul, intelligent.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, more intelligent, most intelligent.
Correct. More intelligent and most intelligent.
Ma'am, can I move?
Yes. Correct. Do this quickly, everyone. Done? You all have done A part? All have done A part? Let's move to B part. Tick the correct option and complete these sentences. So you have to tick the correct one. I hope you all have written date, Friday, and classwork on this page, page number 28. If you have not written, please write down today's date, Friday, and classwork on this page. So you have to tick the correct one. The first one is already done for you. The lamp is brighter than the candle. So there is a comparison between lamp and candle. So we have used the comparative degree brighter. Tushar, Khushi's hair is dash than Leena's.
Ma'am, Khushi's hair is longer than Lina.
Correct answer. Longer. So you will tick longer. Anshika Singhal. Mehul feels the dash when he is dancing.
Ma'am, happier.
Happier. Here we are
Yes, ma'am.
comparing Mehul with any other person. Is there comparison of Mehul with any of the person, any other person?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll write here? Yes, Nitya? Can anyone else tell me the correct answer of this one? I'm finding you, Nitya. Please raise your hand, virtual hand. Okay, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nitya.
Ma'am, happiest.
Yes, beta. Mehul feels the happiest when he is dancing. This is the dash book I have read. It means all the books which you have read till now. And this one is the best one, which you have. Interesting one. So Aryan, choose the correct option. More interesting or most interesting?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the most interesting book I read. I will read.
I have read. Most interesting. Most interesting. You will put tick on most interesting. Next one, Vaibhav Rawat. His cold became dash this morning.
Ma'am, worse.
Worse, correct.
W-R-S-T.
ST or WRSE?
W-O-R-S-E.
SE. This is the correct one. Mute yourself. My room is warmer, but your is dash. My room is warmer, but your is dash. Riddhi. My room is warm, but your is dash. So here we are comparing.
Ma'am, my room is warm, but your room is warmer.
Warmer, yes. Because here we are comparing rooms. My room with your room. Next one, Princey. I met my favorite author today. I feel like it's my dash day ever. Best. I feel like it's my best day ever. Krishna Rishi. Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the dash problem with ease.
Ma'am, most difficult.
Yes, most difficult. Correct. Quickly do this one, then we'll move to the next part, C part. Done? You all have done this? Okay, let's move to the C part. So complete these sentences using as, adjective as, with the adjectives given in the bracket. So I told you that when we compare two things that are same, we use as, adjective as. So we have to use as, adjective as here. So the first one is already done for you. The box is as heavy as the suitcase. So the next one is Manoj is dash Neha. Akshat Mishra.
Ma'am, the answer is Manoj is as tired as Neha.
As tired. Is tired me tired. As tired as Neha. Correct. So you'll write as tired as. As tired as. Okay. As tired as. Please mute yourself. Someone is unmuted. Yourself. Next one. Next one is for Tushar. The mango ice cream is dash the vanilla one.
The mango ice cream is as delicious as the vanilla one.
Correct. As delicious as. Next one, mute yourself. Arya Sharma. Alice in Wonderland is dash the lion, the witch, and the wardrobe.
As interesting as.
As interesting as. Correct. Vedanta Kilotri. Raman is dash Rohit.
Raman is as thin
As
thin as
yes, as thin as. As thin as Rohit. Mute yourself. Ashmita Saxena. Kankana was dash a lark.
as happy as.
As happy as. Correct.
As.
Mute yourself. Priyanshi, the wrestler were dash lions.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Priyanshi. The wrestlers were dash lions.
Ma'am, as strong as.
Yes, correct. As strong as. Last one, Vanika Bansal. Vanika Bansal, stop talking at your home. Vanika Bansal, stop talking and concentrate in your class. Vanika. Busy in talking.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vanika. You are not concentrating in the class, busy in talking. Tell me the last answer. The cuckoo sings dash as the nightingale.
Okay, ma'am. The cuckoo sings us sweetly as the nightingale.
Beta, as क्यों आएगा? As. You have to say as. The cuckoo sings as sweetly. As is also written. As is also written as the nightingale. So I will write only as sweetly. Okay. So this exercise, we have completed the exercise of lesson number 7.